Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Nushi. So in this channel I share tech tutorials, tips and useful simple way. So I hope this video will help to learn new things. So make sure to subscribe and support the channel. So today I'm going to show how to create a Canva account. So let's start the video. Okay, let's go to internet browser. You can open a Google or Chrome and search Canva. Okay, I'm going to search Canva. Log into your Canva account. Click it. Okay, now you can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with email, continue another way. So we'll see another way. Google, Facebook, email, Apple, Microsoft. Yeah, I'll go back. Okay, you can search here. I'm going to continue with Google. You can choose here. So I'm going to continue with Google. Okay, choose an account. It's my account. Okay. Okay, I have selected my account and now I'm going to continue. So you also do it same way. Okay, you can open a Canva account on mobile phone and first open the Play Store and search app, Canva app and install it. Okay, now. Okay, let's create a Canva design for you. Okay, so have options, personal project, work and business, education, non-profit. So you can select. Okay, now I'm going to select personal project. Okay, you can choose. Okay, before you start, let's talk AI. You have AI. It's okay, you can read it. So I'm not going to read. Go it next. Okay, I have opened Canva account successfully. So you can create anything from this. You can create a thumbnail, logo, poster, social media post and video presentations. So many design easily you can do it from Canva. Alright, if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.